The school kids. S Z. Learn with fun. Hello kids, how are you? Simple reading and comprehension. The cat is on the mat. Where is the cat? The lad has a cap. Who has a cap? The tag is in the bag. Where is the tag? Ben has a wet net. What does Ben have? Kim fell in the well. What happened to Kim? A fox is in the box. What is in the box? Ben has a big bun. What does Ben have? Max had a nap. Who had a nap? Anna's bag is big. Whose bag is big? Nan has a red fan. Who has a red fan? The eggs are in the nest. Where are the eggs? Pet has a toy jet. What does Pet have? I have a cup and a mug. What do I have? The pen is in the bag. Where is the pen? The dog is on the log. Where is the dog? The jam is in the jar. What is in the jar? The kids had fun. Who had fun? Dad is in the car. Where is Dad? They are in the garden. Where are they? Dad has a hen. Who has a hen? Tom got the log. Who got the log? Ben has a blue bib. What does Ben have? Mel has a wig. Who has a wig? Meg hit the ball. Who hit the ball? Tom has a red mop. What color is the mop? Anne has an axe. Who has an axe? I have 6 pens. How many pens do I have? We will go later. When will we go? Thanks for watching video. Like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.